In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Bitcoin so that you guys don't get distracted by the small things that don't really matter and you focus on the bigger picture. Okay, now notice how the price went up and it was consolidating here. And I was telling you the whole time, you guys can go back. You guys can even check out my Instagram. I was telling you guys about the consolidation and how the price of Bitcoin should go up, right? Now, that's exactly what happened, and guess what's happening? The same thing is happening again. We're just consolidating. Just like we were consolidating here for the big move up, same thing is happening here. But the issue is that a lot of you guys start focusing on the small details. For example, you guys were worried about this dump over here in China or what, like I remember this was caused by like not China, sorry. Was it I forget what country it was. But yeah, something happened here. And then, the stock market fell and then the price of Bitcoin fell. There was a lot of fear in the market. Everyone got distracted by that. And then I remember there was a head and shoulders pattern here. Shoulder, head, shoulder. It did play out, but I mean, if you had waited for the breakout, right? I mean, look at how much lower this thing went after breaking below it. Not a lot lower. So there was no point in playing this breakout through, right? I mean, if you were to use the target of the breakout, it would have been um all the way here, but it never went that low. So, you guys are paying attention to the small things, and you really got to zoom out and pay attention to the bigger picture. Well, it's really simple. The price went up and it's consolidating, and that's it. And a lot of people are going to look at this candle like, oh, it's a bearish engulfing candle. Oh, wow, big deal. Guys, that's a minor factor. This means, what this tells me is that sure, we have a bearish engulfing candle, a lot of sellers, so maybe we go a little lower like that and then go back up. Worst case scenario, which I think is um, I mean, it's also possible we go all the way down to 85K. Okay, cool. Still not worth selling. I mean, upside is all the way up to 200K. You're gonna tell me you're gonna sell because downside is what, like 15K or 10K, and then upside is 200 up to 200K, and you're gonna look to sell over a move that small? Doesn't make any sense, right? So the only logical thing to do is, the way I see it, the only logical thing for me is to hold Bitcoin and altcoins and hold crypto because this is the beginning of the bull market. And if you're letting things like this stop you from making a lot of money, because imagine you sell because of this, you're scared, and it starts to go up, and now you're like, shit, when's it gonna dip? And you never get a dip big enough for the entry. Or what if it does go down and then goes up right away and you miss out on it, right? Like, this is the beginning of the bull market. You don't want to miss out on what's gonna happen, okay? Especially if you're holding altcoins, and especially if you're holding the altcoins I'm holding. And if you guys look at my Instagram over here, and you go to my predictions, right? I predicted um Algorand when it was at 25 cents. I predicted XRP when we were at like 60 cents. I predicted Algorand at 25 cents, even at 14 cents in the Discord group. We're down on the mana prediction and the CRO prediction, but I do expect us to do very, very well on those. And yeah, you guys check out my Instagram right over here. And I'm also giving away a free trading course. If you want to learn how to trade, how to invest, and how to use the charts for those two things, well, I have a course and I'm giving it to everyone for free. You don't have to pay thousands of dollars anymore. If you want it, all you have to do is follow and message me on Instagram. Just message me, free course. That's all you got to do. Okay? I'm trying to build a team of profitable traders that work together. I hope you guys enjoyed this update on Bitcoin. My price prediction for Bitcoin is the next move up should take us to like 130-ish, 140-ish K. 150 would be like the max before the next pullback. It just depends on how long we consolidate for. So the more we consolidate, the bigger the move will be. Right? But anyways, that's basically it for this video. Um, it's just a warning video to not get worried over small stuff like this. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to, like I said, follow and message me on Instagram. The link will also be in my description. Take care. Bye.